Have you ever opened a bag of fresh or frozen edamame and wondered, can I just eat these raw? It's a question a lot of people ask because edamame looks so fresh and inviting, and the idea of popping green beans straight into your mouth seems simple enough. But the truth is a bit more complicated, and it's worth understanding before you take that first bite. Edamame, for those who aren't familiar, are young soybeans still in their pods. While they're harvested early and packed with nutrients, they're not actually safe to eat completely raw. Raw edamame contains compounds called lectins, which are natural chemicals in soybeans that can interfere with digestion and even cause mild stomach discomfort if consumed in large amounts. That's why eating them straight from the pod without cooking is generally not recommended. The good news is that cooking edamame is super quick and easy, and it completely changes the flavor and texture for the better. A few minutes of boiling, steaming, or microwaving will neutralize the lectins, making the beans safe to eat and also enhancing their natural sweetness. The pods soften just enough to release the tender, slightly nutty beans inside while keeping them firm enough for that satisfying bite we all love. Even though raw edamame isn't safe, frozen edamame sold in stores is usually partially cooked or blanched before freezing. This means it has been briefly boiled or steamed to preserve its color, flavor, and nutrients. Once it's defrosted, it's still best to heat it up before eating. Microwaving for a few minutes or boiling in salted water ensures the beans are fully cooked and ready to enjoy, whether you're snacking on them plain, tossing them into salads, or adding them to stir-fries. One more thing to consider is flavor. Raw edamame has a very starchy, bland taste that isn't particularly enjoyable. Cooking brings out a mild, nutty sweetness that makes these green beans so addictive. Add a little sea salt, chili flakes, or garlic powder, and you have a snack that's both healthy and delicious. So, while it might be tempting to eat edamame raw, it's much safer and tastier to cook it first. A few minutes of boiling, steaming, or microwaving turns these young soybeans from a potentially problematic raw snack into a nutrient-rich, protein-packed treat that's ready to enjoy anytime.